Good evening, dear members of the press. My name is William Valasidis. I'm the Director of Communications for the Court of Justice of the European Union, and I would like to, first of all, welcome you all and thank you for joining us this evening. A point of order first. There is simultaneous interpretation if you wish to use it. Channel 1 is in English, Channel 2 is in French, and Channel 3 is in Dutch. But you can also use the German language, and it will be interpreted towards those three languages. I will say a few words first on our annual report, and then President Leenaerts and President Jaeger will make initial statements, and then the head of our Press and Information Department, Mr. Juan Carlos Gonzalez, will coordinate the discussion and the questions. Now, this press conference is taking place on the occasion of the release of the annual report of the court, which is, as of last year, articulated into two distinct publications, and this is what I wanted to talk to you about. First of all, we have the traditional annual report entitled Judicial Activity, which is a very detailed account of the case law and judicial statistics of the court during the year 2016. It is essentially a publication addressed to lawyers. Since last year, we have felt the need to communicate also with non-lawyers, the citizens of the European Union, and explain in a more simple and condensed way what the court is doing. Hence, the birth of the annual report, The Year in Review, Panorama de l'année in French, which is a very short booklet of only 47 pages, which can be easily read while waiting for a flight or during a short flight, and in a very condensed version gives a very good impression about what the year was like at the Court of Justice. There is, of course, an explanation of some areas of case law that touch the citizen's life, but we can find other information, such as the court's openness policy and to what extent the court proceeds to informal or formal exchanges with various stakeholders, such as national judges, associations of lawyers, students, etc. And there are also some interesting information about the court's multilingualism policy, the court's environmental policy, and also information about the court's staff and the type of visitors that the court has received during the course of the year. Now, I invite you to discover these two publications, and without further ado, I would like now to ask